Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Xbox app. Something went wrong error on your Windows PC. First, press the Windows key and type Xbox. Right-click the Xbox app and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Terminate to completely close the app. After that, click Repair. Once the repair process finishes, open the Xbox app and check if the error is gone. If the problem continues, go back to the same app settings page and click Reset. Keep in mind that resetting the app may remove some app data and sign you out of your account. Next, open the Xbox app and click your profile icon in the top left corner. Select Support, then find the Gaming Services Repair tool and click Start Repairing. This tool can automatically fix issues related to Xbox gaming services. If you cannot open the Xbox app at all, download and run the Gaming Services Repair tool directly from the Xbox Gaming Services support page and follow the on-screen instructions. Another common cause of this error is an account issue. Open the Microsoft Store, sign out of your account, and then sign back in using the same Microsoft account that you use for Xbox. Finally, check your system date and time settings. Right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of the taskbar and select Adjust Date, and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Then click Sync Now to update your clock. After completing these steps, restart your computer and launch the Xbox app again. Thanks for watching.